ready to make a cocktail?
I am
Are you
ready to
for
drink
cocktail?
a cocktail.
All right, I have a really good cocktail for you. You know what I'm gonna make because it's our signature cocktail, but I'm gonna add a twist. All right, so we're gonna start with the basics. Ice and a shaker. All right. So our signature cocktail is called the Panamericana, and it's a unique drink because it combines both the United States and Mexico. So we're going to make 4 cocktails, so we're going to multiply this recipe by 4. So we have an ounce of bourbon. All right, bourbon, obviously America's great distilled spirit. All right, and of course, from Mexico we have mezcal. So per drink, 1 ounce of mezcal. So I made these for you before. You like these?
I did like this.
Yeah,
I did like this.
All right, so dash of bitters per drink. All right.
Especially watching the Mexican Grand Prix.
Yeah, that was good. All right, so bitters because hey, life's not always sweet, is it?
No, it's
No,
not.
it's not. So secret ingredient. So anybody can make a Pan Am. What we're making is a Driving La Carrera.
I see.
All right, and the secret ingredient, ancho reyes. You tasted this?
I like
You
it.
like that? Right? That comes from Puebla. That is Mexican liqueur. If the bourbon is for the United States and the mezcal is for Mexico, the ancho reyes is for danger. Yeah, that's exactly it. All right, so we got everything in there, enough for 4. We shake vigorously until cold, right? All right. Then we pour into an old-fashioned glass. This one's for me.
I haven't had a drink in days.
I'm not. This for you.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers
Driving.
To Driving La
to
Carrera.
Driving La Carrera. And you gotta say your line. What's your line?
Imaginaremos cosas quilongas.
Chingonas.
It's the Italian that kills me.
Chingonas.
Chingonas.
All right.
Imaginaremos cosas chingonas.